today I plan to explain about difference between expression and statement in Python. So in this video, the difference between expressions and statements, what is expression, what is statement, why it got differ from each other, all these things I plan to explain in very well manner. So when we are looking on expression, the expression is said to be the arithmetic operation, arithmetic expression, logic expression, like that we learned in programming languages. So every expression will deal with two different values, and that particular values we are having that will be added, or that will be subtracted, or that will be divided, or some logical operator will be applied on that particular expression, and we will get the output for that. When we are taking statement, the statement is said to be the particular coding part in the program. So each and every line is considered a statement. So inside the statement we can put the expressions. So the expressions will be resides inside the statements, but we are not able to tell every expression is a proper statement. Okay, so here we going to discuss on the major difference between the expressions and statements. So every expression evaluates the value, whatever the value you are giving, that will be evaluated. If you are giving c is equal to a plus b, that will be evaluated with use of expression. And the same case, if you are giving a statement, whatever the statement we are giving, that will be evaluated with use of expression. So the entire coding part what we are typing, that will be considered as statements. So here the evaluation of statements does not change the state, and the execution of the expression will not change the state, and the statement can change the state, and every state expression will produce the output, but the statement whatever we are typing, that may produce output or may not be, because according to the output statement, if you give the output statement, it will display the output, otherwise it will not. And next to that, every expression can be a statement. Whatever the expression you are typing, it's not be a statement, but whenever you are making a statement, in that we are having the expression will be reside inside the coding part, that we are telling us every statement can be expression. Okay, so in this regard we plan to see some example programs here. So I typed down program here, x equal to 5 into 10. X equal to 5 into 10 means, here we are just making a multiplication operation. So this particular multiplication operation will just do a expression and just put the output in x. So we are just getting the x value as output here. So when we are executing this particular code, we may get the output as 5 into 10, 50 we will get as output. So here you can able to see the output is 50 here. The same case, when we are typing a statement, we can type a statement as anything. I can print a thing whatever I want to print. So here I am just typing my name as a statement. So I am just typing my name as a statement, and next to that I am just giving some particular operation. I am just giving a conditional statement. If x is equal to 50, like that I am giving some conditional statement. All these things will be statements in the programming language. So whatever you are typing in the particular coding part, that will be considered as programming statements. So here this will be considered as expression. If I am doing some arithmetic operation, if I am giving y is equal to 5 plus 6, this is arithmetic operation. So here when I am giving 5 plus 6, so that will be considered as expression. So expression dealing with values, statement dealing with the coding part, each and every line of the coding part will be considered as statements. So this is the major difference between expression and statements. Here we are having a number of expressions like arithmetic expression, logical expression, increment, decrement operator expression. All these things will be considered as expressions. Here we are having print statement, whatever the statements you want to print, all these things will become come under statements. So every line here, this is a statement, this is a statement, this particular thing is a statement. So here in this statement we are having expression. So you can able to see the expression can be considered a statement, but the statement, whatever the expression we are telling, that will, all the expression will not be considered statements, like that they are giving the differentiation. So I hope you understand the difference between expression and statement. Thank you.